Welcome back to Happy Homesteader, your go-to spot for all things homesteading, self-sufficiency, and getting your hands in the dirt. Today, we're talking about the 5 easiest fruit trees to grow. Perfect for beginners, busy folks, or anyone who wants big results with little effort. Let's grow smarter, not harder. Imagine stepping outside your door and picking fresh, juicy fruit without babying your trees every day. Sound too good to be true? Stick around because these 5 fruit trees are absolute game changers for your homestead. Coming in at number 1 is the fig tree, the ultimate low-maintenance powerhouse. Figs thrive in zones 7 through 10, love the heat, and don't need much pampering. They're drought-tolerant, pest-resistant, and best of all, they start producing within 1 to 2 years of planting. Just plant them in full sun, water regularly during their first year, and boom, you've got a fig buffet every summer. Next up is the good old apple tree. But here's the trick. Go for dwarf or semi-dwarf varieties. These smaller trees are easier to manage and bear fruit quicker, sometimes within just 2 to 3 years, and take up less space. Look for varieties like Honeycrisp or Liberty that are disease-resistant and perfect for most temperate zones. Plant 2 different varieties for cross-pollination and better yields. Number 3. Peach trees. These fast producers can give you fruit in as little as 2 years. Choose a self-pollinating variety like Alberta or Reliance, especially if you're in zones 5 through 9. They do best in full sun and well-drained soil, and you'll be swimming in sweet, juicy peaches before you know it. Plum trees are total sleepers. Not a lot of people talk about them, but they're super easy to grow, especially European varieties like Stanley or Methley. They're hardy, self-pollinating, and start producing in just 2 to 4 years. Plums are great for jams, drying, or just eating fresh off the tree. Plum trees are also less prone to pests compared to apples or pears. And last but definitely not least, the mulberry tree. This is one of the most underrated fruit trees you can grow. Mulberries grow crazy fast, tolerate poor soil, and can start producing within a year or 2 if you get a grafted variety. You'll get tons of sweet blackberry-like fruit, and as a bonus, chickens love them too. They can be messy, so plant them a little away from patios or driveways. So there you have it. 5 of the easiest, fastest, and most productive fruit trees to grow on your homestead. Which one are you most excited to plant? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss out on more homesteading tips every week. Happy planting, y'all! See you next time.